Some students are having difficulty accessing the visual learning videos in math. Here is the fix for that problem. You will need to go to the browser bar and click on the lock. Go down to Site Settings, scroll down to Sound, and it should say Allow. If it's on automatic, change it to Allow. If for some reason you can't access sound from that location, you can go up to the top of your screen where there are three dots. Go down to Settings, scroll down to the very bottom to Advanced. You can find Site Settings here. Scroll down to Sound, and to make sure that Allow Sites to Play Sound is on.